Hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these very easy, budget-friendly candy domes for your next gift idea. So to start off the project, you're going to need some paper straws. I did pick up a pack of paper straws from my local Walmart, and also I bought some from Amazon. I'll have a link listed below just to try out the two and see how they worked out. You're also going to need some ornament domes. I believe these are 3 inches that I had. I'm going to be doing some Pringle projects, so I had a few that I use for this project. And then whatever you want to stuff your dome with, you can stuff it with candy, with money, confetti, whatever you have available on hand. I did try the very first dome using some rapid fuse, and if you don't mind sitting and letting it cure for, I say, overnight, you can go that route. But in today's tutorial, I'm just going to use hot glue gun, and that works just fine. You just want to make sure you give it time to fully cure and make the dome stable. So I'm showing you here, I went ahead and glued the dome to the paper straw, and I'm filling it with 3 pieces of candy and just making sure that I'm sealing it very tight with the hot glue gun, and moving quickly with the hot glue gun because it doesn't take long for it to kind of cool off. And so I'm moving really quickly here. And you don't want to stuff your dome too much because you want to make sure that it will be stable enough with that paper straw. You could do this with a wood dowel, but I wanted to give this a try with paper straws. So here I'm just sealing the dome and just making sure I hold it, press it very tightly so it's nice and sealed. And now that it's fully cured, just giving it a few shakes just to make sure it's nice and stable and secure. And now I'm just going to add a few more with the help of my little helper, filling it up with each dome with some more different types of candy and some confetti, and just personalizing each one because I'm going to make a little bouquet with these candy-filled domes. So after I was finished filling all the domes, I used a total of 4. I went into Cricut Design Space and made an offset of happy birthday and my daughter's name and put a little bouquet together, and this was such a huge hit. She loved it and it was a great gift idea. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot, and I'll see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda.